My name is Abraham. I'm here to show you guys how you can fix Vivo y11 broken power switch. You try to on it and you see that it's not on it. What could be the fault? Let us go straight to the point. Try to read the power switch. See that it's not reading. What could be the fault? Can you see? It's not reading. Okay, this is where you will find the positive. You know, you can always find the negative around the panel. It's around the panel. You can find the positive here. Just go straight, turn it up. This is where the positive is located. Can you see it? Try to read it like this. Can you see? Okay guys, just run the jumper straight. Exciting, just little is enough for it. That's the jumper. This is the copper wire. Can you see it? Then you take it at this point, pass it here, and pass it to this point. Wow, exciting. I'm so excited today doing this. Then you try to fix it here. After fixing it, you can see I fixed it already. Then see, I fix it. Then you put it and see. Let us see the magic that will happen. Boom, the phone is working back. Wow. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you like it, I would like you to put a comment. I would like to review the comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.